Okay, I'll get straight to the point. If getting rich fast actually worked, everyone who ever bought a Lambo on Instagram would still be rich. But see, notice something weird? They're not. They're selling courses now. And that right there is your first clue. So my goal for this video is to completely break down why every get-rich-quick scheme always collapses, no matter how convincing it looks, how smart the person selling it sounds, or how badly you want it to be true. And no, this isn't a work hard, save money, eat ramen lecture. This is the real reason fast money always disappears, and why slow money quietly wins. My name is Jonathan, and on this channel, honestly, I spend a lot of time thinking about what true generational wealth actually looks like. I finally realized there are no shortcuts to success, and here's exactly why. Point number 1. Get rich quick fails because it skips the skill. Okay, first of all, here's the part nobody likes hearing. Money is a side effect of skill, not the other way around. And this is the first point I want you to take from this video. Every get-rich-quick scheme tries to reverse the order. They promise no experience needed, no skills required. Anyone can do this. I just copy my system. That should already scare you, because if no skill is required, then anyone can do it. Everyone will do it. And the profit dies fast. It's like trying to skip learning how to cook and opening a restaurant because you bought a recipe PDF. You didn't learn marketing, operations, pricing, customer psychology, risk management. So the second something goes wrong, you have no idea how to fix it. That's why most people who hit it big quickly lose it just as fast. They didn't build the engine. They just stepped on the gas. And that brings us to the real danger, because skipping the skill doesn't just slow you down, it rewires how you think about money. Point number 2, fast money destroys your money brain. Now let's get to the brutal truth, because this is something I've been wanting to tell you. Money you don't understand is money you can't keep. Get-rich-quick schemes give people cash before they've developed discipline, patience, financial judgment, emotional control. So what happens? They spend it, they gamble it, they flex it, they reinvest it into even riskier nonsense, because their brain hasn't adapted yet. It's like handing a 16-year-old a Ferrari and acting surprised when it ends up wrapped around a pole. Sudden money doesn't make you smart. It exposes what you don't know. That's why lottery winners statistically end up broke. That's why athletes go bankrupt. That's why crypto millionaires from 2021 are suddenly rebranding. Their income jumped. Their decision-making didn't. But wait, this gets worse, because get rich quick doesn't just mess up your money. It messes up your expectations. Point number 3, it teaches you the wrong game. Let's be real. Most people think the goal is make a lot of money. Wrong. The real game is keep money working for you for decades. Get-rich-quick schemes train you to chase big wins, short timelines, one-hit miracles. So when real wealth building shows up and looks boring, investing, systems, consistency, you reject it because it doesn't give dopamine fast enough. It's like expecting your body to transform after one workout and quitting when it doesn't. Fast money makes slow wealth feel broken, and that's how people stay poor while thinking they're being ambitious. By the way, if you're someone still struggling on your journey to financial freedom, when you finish watching this video, it's a must that you go back and watch our previous videos. As always, subscribe to the channel for every single update. Anyways, now here's where most people really get trapped, because the scheme doesn't end when the money disappears. Point number 4, most get-rich-quick schemes don't make money. They sell hope. Now let's get something straight, because I want to call this out cleanly. Most of these schemes are not businesses. They are hope vending machines. The real product isn't crypto, drop shipping, trading, Amazon FBA, AI automation, real estate wholesaling. The real product is you believing you're one step away. That's why the marketing always looks the same. Rented supercars, screenshots with no context. I almost quit until this worked. Fake urgency, fake scarcity. Because if the system actually worked consistently, they wouldn't need to sell it. They'd scale it quietly. The money isn't in the method. It's in convincing people the method works. Now let's talk about the most dangerous part of all, the psychological addiction nobody warns you about. Point number 5, get rich quick makes you addicted to speed. This is golden advice I want you to remember for the rest of your life. See, once you believe money should come fast, everything else feels pointless. Saving, too slow. Investing, too boring. Building skills, too much effort. So you keep hopping, one idea to the next, one opportunity to another, one guru to the next, Always almost rich, never stable. Speed becomes the drug, and stability feels like failure. This is why people stay stuck for years while thinking they're trying. They're not building, they're chasing. And here's the irony that should make you laugh. The people who actually get rich do the opposite. Point number 6. Real wealth is built slowly, on purpose. Now, this is the part that messes with people's heads a bit, but in a good way. Because everything online screams speed, but every real wealthy person designs their strategy to be slow, not because they can't go fast, because they don't need to. Slow wealth is intentional. It's built around systems that survive bad months, bad years, and bad decisions. Think about it like this. Get rich quick is sprinting on a treadmill. Real wealth is walking uphill while everyone else gets tired and quits. Boring? Absolutely. Effective? Every single time. Here's what slow wealth actually looks like in real life. Someone invests every month, even when it's uncomfortable. They don't panic when markets drop. They buy more. They don't chase trends. They build cash flow first, then scale. No screenshots, no flexing, no DM me captions, just quiet progress, stacking on quiet progress. And here's the part people miss. Slow wealth compounds more than money. It compounds judgment. You get better at risk assessment, decision-making, delayed gratification, knowing what to ignore. So by the time the money gets big, you're already the kind of person who knows how to keep it. That's why the quietly wealthy don't look stressed. That's why they don't need hype. That's why they don't need shortcuts. They're not trying to escape life. They're building one they don't need to run from. So if get rich quick fails, what actually works? This is where everything flips. Point number 7. The real secret is boring, and that's why it works. Now check this out, because this is the moment people roll their eyes, because the truth doesn't sound sexy. There's no countdown timer, no Lamborghini, no last chance, just a simple loop that works every time if you don't quit. Here it is. Learn valuable skills, create predictable cash flow, invest consistently, repeat. That's the entire playbook. And the reason most people never get rich isn't because they don't know this. It's because they can't emotionally tolerate how boring it feels at first. Learning skills feels slow. Cash flow feels small. Investing feels invisible. So people abandon it right before momentum kicks in. Think of it like planting bamboo. For years, nothing happens above ground. Then suddenly it shoots up fast. Most people quit digging because they don't see growth. But here's the key. Boring work compounds into exciting outcomes. Exciting work almost never compounds. The rich didn't find shortcuts. They found repeatable systems they could run when motivation disappeared. And once that loop is in place, money stops feeling like a mystery. It becomes predictable, controllable, almost boring, which is exactly when you start winning. And once you understand this loop, you realize why fast money always collapses and why quiet money just keeps stacking. Point number 8, fast money is loud. Real money is quiet. I'm just going to be real blunt about this and give it to you straight. You want to know the real reason why we named this channel Stealth Wealth? Well, it's because fast money needs noise. It needs screenshots, flexing, urgency, validation. Because if people stop paying attention, the whole thing collapses. That's why get rich quick always sounds the same. Right now. Don't miss this. Last chance. Real money doesn't rush you. It doesn't need hype to survive. Quiet money shows up in boring places. Automatic investments, unsexy businesses, rental checks, dividend payouts, skills that print income quietly. No announcement, no celebration, no applause, just steady, repeatable results. Here's the difference most people miss. Loud money wants to be seen. Quiet money wants to stay. Fast money chases attention. Real money avoids it. And once you understand that, you stop feeling FOMO. You stop chasing noise. You stop thinking you're missing out because you realize the loudest people in the room usually aren't the richest. They're just the ones still trying to prove it. And once you start building quiet money, you stop chasing opportunities and start choosing them. If this video hit a nerve, you're not behind. You're just early. Hit subscribe if you want money explained without the nonsense. Comment the words quiet money if you're done chasing hype and ready to build something real. But here's the question nobody asks next. If get rich quick fails, what does the fastest, realistic wealth path actually look like? Because there is a smarter way to build wealth without burning years, or your sanity, and that's exactly what the next video breaks down. I'll see you in the next one.